Here's a lovely outdoor wall clock from Frontgate. Now there's just one problem. There's no hands on it. Why is that? Because after about a year, the mechanism stopped working. Today, we're going to put a new mechanism in and have it keep time like it always should have. So all it takes to fix this $100 clock is a new clock mechanism, which is right here, from clockworks.com. Here's the back of the clock where the mechanism goes. It's kind of chewed up a bit because getting the old one out was tough. So we just stick the new one right in that spot. There's a little lip there that holds it in. Now let's flip it over and work on the front side. Onto the front side, we have the brass washer. Place it right over the stem. Next, we have the hex nut that'll hold it tightly in place. It's all hand tightened. No need to get out any kind of a special wrench or anything. That part's done. All right, it's impossible to screw this up. The hour hand has a round hole. The shaft at its base is round. The minute hand has an oblong hole, and the shaft at its top also has an oblong hole. As I said, the hour hand goes on first. It's got a circular hole, fits on the circular part of the shaft. There we go, easy to do. Next, the minute hand has the oblong hole and fits on there only in one way. There it is, it's done. There's the finished product. The cap nut's on. The hands are set. So let's analyze the cost of this transaction. The clock originally cost $100. I called Frontgate and said, hey, this thing stopped working after about a year and a half. They said, sorry, it's out of warranty. Can't replace it. But for your trouble, we'll send you a $50 Frontgate gift certificate. So, as I said, I bought a new mechanism for less than $10. It took me about 10 minutes to fix, and I got a $50 gift certificate. So I netted out at about 40 bucks to the good. If you have a favorite clock that stopped short and never run again, doesn't have to be that way. You can easily replace the mechanism just like I did. Good luck.